In wafer sorting and inspection workshop, the automated sorting machine employs high-resolution vision sensors and intelligent identification system, accurately identifying wafers of various specifications and types, enabling real-time monitoring and sorting of wafers, ensuring each step meets the optimal standards. Additionally, Gochi integrates intelligent inspection with smart logistics and warehousing by utilizing robotic automatic grasping, AGV-based logistics, scheduling systems, and more to build an automated logistics and warehousing system. Achieving intelligence and unmanned operations in inspection, packaging, and storage enables efficiency and cost control, strengthening quality control, thereby enhancing companies' competitiveness. For more details, please feel free to contact us at any time.